everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deasia, but you can call me D, and this is day 12 of my Slaytober series where I'm uploading a different Halloween look every day of October. Whew. Today's look is Chucky, of course. If you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue on watching. So to start out with this look, I'm using my brown eyeliner pen. So I got this from Beauty Supply Store. I don't really know the brand name of it, but I'm going to outline my shirt. I'm going to outline my clothes for real. I'm going to put it under my necklace because my necklace messes up my body paint a lot. I don't take my jewelry off because once I take it off, I lose it. Starting off, I'm starting out with my Athena, with my You Can't Be Athena makeup palette, and I'm going in with this red color first to shade in my collar. Next color I'm going in is with this color right here. So after I did 2 layers of each color, I went on top of it with this You Can Be setting powder that came with the paint palette. I'm going to take the same color and paint my overalls with it. Changing colors, and I'm going in with this blue right here. Next, I'm going to outline my lines with my black paint. So I'm almost done with the body. To create the little stitch, I'm going in with that white color from the same palette. That same paint palette, and I'm using this orange, and that's what I'm going to do my brows with. I'm not going to brush them up, I'm just going to brush them to the side and then go right on top of it with the paint. And then I'm going into my Morphe Lisa Frank palette, and I'm using this dark orange at the bottom. I'm just gonna pat that eyeshadow in on that brow. Next, I'm gonna take my spoolie and brush my brows to the side so that all my hairs is going in the same direction. And to clean up under my eyebrows, I'm using my MAC Cosmetics Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NW40. And I'm going to blend up under the eyebrow with my blending brush. The foundation that I'm going in with today is my Smashbox foundation in the shade 4.0. Using my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 14.
Promise me, Chucky. Promise me, Chucky.
The concealer that I'm going in is my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade Spinning. Next, I'm going in with my Juvia's Place setting powder in this shade Kalahari. I'm tired, y'all. It's just 2:30 in the morning. I've been doing this look since 11 o'clock. Using this paint palette again, I'm going in with the red and I'm going to create the scars. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in around my eye. Then I'm going to set this paint right away with the setting powder. Okay, so I'm going in with that black again from that same paint palette. And I'm going to draw the black in the middle of the red line. Well, black, I think I'm going to use this burgundy shade right here. Then we're going to do my stitches in black. So to create my stitches, I'm going in with my P. Louise base, Prime and Define in the shade You're Glowing. To add more detail, I'm thinking I'm gonna, let me see how this will look. Okay, yeah, so to add more detail, I'm going to, with that same Lisa Frank palette by Morphe, and I'm going in with this red shade right here that's kind of almost gone. And I'm just gonna put that like up here just to add some more shade. I'm going into my Dare to Create Morph palette, and I think I'm going to go on with this color, I think. Let me change my brush. Definitely want to top this look off with some red lipstick. Got to. I'm gonna add some of this NYX glitter. For the mascara, I'm using my Better Than Sex Too Faced waterproof mascara. This look was honestly a long time coming. Do you hear me? Like, I've been doing this look for like 4.5 hours. 4.5 hours, yeah. So I really didn't do a lot on the face because, what time is it? It's 3:22 a.m. and I have to do another look tonight, and I have to go to work tomorrow. So yeah, this really all is giving. I feel like I put enough detail in the shirt, in the overalls, than to sit here and do a whole lot of stuff on extra stuff on my face, because your girl is tired. Okay, I'm tired. If you enjoyed this look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you won't miss another beat. And I will see you guys in my next video.